So returning to the question, ilan po ba yung mga kaso na nahanda po natin?
Opo, in the 2 weeks that we've been here po, we have filed one case. We filed it against 26 individuals last week, last Thursday. We are preparing, as of the moment, 3 more cases as of the moment. But we are currently in the process of investigating more than 100 projects nationwide. No, ngayon po na natayo na ang ICI, kami po ngayon ay nakikipag-coordinate na sa ICI para sa future filing of new cases. No, and based on my discussions po with the ICI in the past few days, ang goal po is that tuloy-tuloy po ang pagpa-file, and we are targeting po ng at least 1 case every week ang ipa-file. At least.